Om Shanti. Om Shanti to shining stars and flying angels, and Om Shanti to dear parents. मैंने अलग अलग कहा तो किसी ने कहा ही नहीं. Om Shanti. Good morning. So you have already listened to why the morning is so good. So many good news you have. And now we are going to have fun. ना? बच्चों के लिए love means fun, to have fun. And fun with numbers. How many of you love numbers or maths? Good. Most of you. And you have to retain that love. ठीक है? So that is why today I am going to give you or play many games. When we talk about numbers, numbers are made up of how many digits? Like from 0 to 9. Yes, from 0 to 9. But how long is the number line? Infinite, है ना? Infinite. So we start with some magic. Are you all ready? Are you curious? Huh? Okay. So take out your pens and copies, because this is an activity that you have to do. Are you all ready now? Fine. Let's start the magic. What you are supposed to do, step 1. All of you listen carefully. Step 1. Think of any 2-digit number. 2-digit number means starting from 10, but here we are asking you to start from 20. 20 to 99. Any 2-digit number between 20 and 99. Think of that and write it in your copies, in your notebooks. Written? Any number you can choose. Let's say my number is 27. Okay? Your number should be different. Fine? Okay. Now the next step is add the 2 digits together. That means, like my number is 27, what I will do? 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Do this. Add the 2 digits of the 2-digit number. I'm sharing with you on the screen what I'm doing with my number. You have to do the same with your number. 30, so you will do 3 plus 0. Okay? Done? Now, the third step is, subtract this sum which you have got here. For in my example, it is 9. Subtract this sum from the original number. So 27 minus 9. I will do this in my case. You do the same with your number. आपको जो sum मिला है second step में, subtract that from the original number. Okay? So in my case, it is 18. You find your number. Don't tell anybody what you are getting. If you need some help in subtraction, you may call Didi. Okay, done? नहीं किया. Sorry. अच्छा. Those who have done, just raise your hands. Okay. You may help the other person besides you if they are not through. Done, done? Yes? Yes? Acha, now, are you all ready for the magic? Now you have to do something in your mind and I am going to read your mind. Okay? Now what is the magic about? You can see a chart here, and corresponding to one number, every number, there is a symbol. Now find your number in this chart and note down what symbol is corresponding to that number. Keep it in your mind, don't say anything. Be silent. Find your number, the final number. Like in my case, it is 18. So I am doing that. For your number, you find your number in this chart. एंड फाइंड द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग सिंबल. उसके सामने जो सिंबल है उसको ध्यान से देखिए. मैं आपका माइंड रीड कर रही हूं. आई एम रीडिंग योर माइंड. जस्ट कीप लुकिंग एट दैट सिंबल. हैव यू गॉट योर सिंबल? एवरीवन? नहीं मिला? ढूंढो, नंबर ढूंढो. Everyone done? Okay. Now let me guess. Let me guess what that symbol is. Gilly gilly choo, abracadabra. And I think that symbol is this. Yes? No? Yes? How many of you say yes? Okay. Some of you are saying no. Okay, let's take one example. Okay, chalo. Who is saying no? अच्छा, आपका लेते हैं, आपका. Okay, yours. What number you have? बताइए. First original number. Sorry? 56. Let's write it here. 56. Now what is the total of 56? 5 plus 6? 11. So what you were supposed to do, you were supposed to subtract 11. So what you will get? Did you get 45? Huh? 45 corresponding to 45 is? Yes? So you must have done some mistake in calculation. Or maybe in locating the symbol. Okay? Okay, I can take one more. One more. नहीं, आपका गलत आया है. स्माइली नहीं आया. जिसका नहीं आया वो हैंड रेस करें. यू. ओके, टेल मी व्हाट्स योर नंबर. ओरिजिनल नंबर 72. नाउ जस्ट टोटल इट. 9. Subtract 9 from it, what you will get? You have subtracted 11. 9 माइनस करेंगे तो 63 है ना. हाँ, एंड 63 के अगेंस्ट क्या है देखो? स्माइली. सो रेस्ट ऑफ यू ऑल्सो कैन चेक एंड यू विल गेट अ स्माइली. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज द मैजिक? व्हाट इज द मैजिक? Everybody gets a smiley. How? What is the maths behind that? Okay. Don't tell. Just raise your hands who knows, who can understand the logic behind it. Okay. Let me ask. अच्छा चलो आप बताओ. Yes. अच्छा, listen to what she has to say. Listen. I didn't put the symbols right now. They were already there. The chart was already prepared. You did at home? So that is what I'm asking. What is the maths behind that? Yes. Tell. Just listen to what she has to say. Why? What is the reason? Why? Why smiley only? There are so many symbols, just see. So what that particular outcome is? Tell. That's the observation. Yes, give a big hand to him. And you all were right that they were actually corresponding to smiley. That's why. And that was the common thing. But why smiley? What is the maths? If you will notice, all the multiples of 9s, they have smiley corresponding to them. And why I have put that? Because the calculation which I asked to do, no matter what your number is, when you will add and subtract that number from the original, you will get a multiple of 9. I knew that. So that's the magic. ठीक है, अभी magic बता दिया है. But आपको क्या करना है घर जाके? There is a homework. आपको ऐसा एक चार्ट बनाना है, ठीक है, जिसमें आप 10 से लेके 99 तक, फ्रॉम 10 to 99 यू विल राइट नंबर्स. इट कैन बी दिस वे और दैट वे, वॉट एवर वे यू लाइक. एंड देन लिसन, चूज सम सिंबल्स. it may be a tree, it may be a star, it may be any emoji, okay? Right? Different emojis. But make sure against or corresponding to the multiples of 9, put one symbol, whatever you like. It may be heart, it may be smiley, it may be something else. Right? Have you understood? Corresponding to the multiple of 9, put one symbol only, and then you can do this magic with anyone and surprise them. So you all have become math magicians. How many of you purchased that book, How to Become a Math Magician? In that, these kinds of logic, these kinds of magic plus maths behind that are shared, many are shared in that. And not just that, how maths is applicable in day-to-day life. आपको मालूम है रेस ट्रैक पर why फर्स्ट पर्सन जो होता है वो थोड़ा अंदर होता है, पास में होता है, फिर उसके बाद वो दूर होते जाते हैं. व्हाट इज द कैलकुलेशन बिहाइंड दैट? हैव यू सीन देयर आर ऑलवेज नॉट मोर देन 9 ट्रैक्स. व्हाट इज द मैथ्स बिहाइंड दैट? So there, in day-to-day life, there are so many things. We are seeing them, we have been seeing them, but we don't know the maths behind that. So all those logical things, so many puzzles, calculation tips are there in that book, How to Be a Math Magician. So I don't think so. There are now 2-3 copies are left. Anyway, but what I am today sharing with you. You want to say something? साइंस भी होता है. हाँ, देर इज अ मैथ्स और साइंस बिहाइंड दैट, डेफिनेटली. ठीक है, बट हेयर टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नंबर्स ना, दैट इज वाई देर मैथ्स बिहाइंड दैट. एंड येस, देर आर फॉर टू डे थिंग्स हैपनिंग अराउंड अस, देर इज साइंस ऑल्सो बिहाइंड दैट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर. So please smile a bit. You have become mathematicians, at least of one magic. Okay, now let's do magical calculations. Why I said magical calculations? They are actually mathematical calculations, but I call it mathamagic because when you will see it, it seems like magic. Acha, yesterday you gave me few numbers. Today who would like to give me numbers? The last 2 digit of your parents' mobile phone, जिन्होंने कल नहीं बोला था. अच्छा बोलो या लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स बोलो. यस, मैं आपको ही कह रही हूँ, पीछे नहीं देखो. ओके, 06. यस, 44 89. ओके, 07. दैट्स इट. अच्छा, दिस इज योर नंबर. अभी मैं फिर लूंगी. सिट डाउन. ओके, मैं सब याद कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, ओके. अब आगे चले. अभी आपका नंबर लिया, अब मैं अपना नंबर दूं. शुड आई गिव माय नंबर? यस. नाउ माय नंबर इज simple. You don't even have to remember it. Already you have you can easily memorize that. Okay, so my number is easy, but today class is not for memorizing. Class is for calculations. Now let's say if I ask you to do this multiplication, you will take around 12 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, what if, listen children, what if we can do it in 5 seconds? Just see. अच्छा, बोलते जाओ फिर. बोलो. This is the answer. Do you feel this is the correct answer? नहीं? क्या गड़बड़ है? You? Okay. अच्छा, कैलकुलेटर से चेक करेंगे. ओके, करिए. आई एम वेटिंग. अच्छा, I have calculator on my screen. No, I have calculator here. अच्छा, क्या आंसर है बताओ? बताओ क्या आंसर है? करेक्ट है भाई, इन्होंने चेक कर लिया, करेक्ट है. तालियां बजा सकते हैं ना? ओके, इतनी लंबी कैलकुलेशन. सॉरी. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, now would you like to know how I did that? Don't you feel that this calculation is magical? Because it's like in seconds, we can do it in seconds. Okay, now let's try to understand how I did that. Okay, good, good. You may share it with your friends, but right now, I would request all the shining stars and angels that even if you know, don't discuss it with children sitting beside you, okay? Let them focus here, and then you may help them later. Okay? That's a good deal? Fine? Chaliye. Now let's understand how I did that so that you can also do that. Let me explain. Okay? Okay. Now let's take a smaller number. I will take your question. Let's take a smaller number. Maybe the number is 4738. So what the number is? 4738. Now let's say I have to multiply it by 9999. Now first of all, or let's not take that big. Let's not take, sorry. Let's take a smaller number. 38 into 99. Now what we are going to do, see, the answer we will get in two parts. Left part, right part. Okay. Now the left part, what we are going to do, ध्यान से देखो सभी बच्चे. We will subtract 1 from the original number. 38 minus 1 will be? We will write it here. Okay. Now whatever we have got in the left hand side, we will subtract that number from 9s. 9 minus 3? 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7? 2. So this is the answer, 3762. Yes. Cool? Easy? Left side we have to subtract only from 1. Sorry, the original number minus 1. And then for the right side, left side should be subtracted from 9s. Only 9s. Acha, let me tell you one thing. Where this technique will be applicable. Under two conditions. First, whatever the number is that is getting multiplied by 9s only. Okay, this is the first condition. If it is 64, like 38 into 64, then this will not be applicable. This is only applicable when the number is getting multiplied by 9s. Second condition. Second condition is when the number of digits in the multiplicand is equal to number of 9s. I write it here. When number into 9s. Pehli condition. Second, multiplicand इसमें ये हो गया, digits should be equal to multiplier digits, और यू में से number of 9s, क्योंकि multiplier तो 9 ही होगा हमेशा. Got it? ये समझ में आ रहा है? Right? So I repeat it once again. The left hand side, how you will get it? By subtracting 1, just minus 1 from the original number. And for the second part, what you are going to do, जो आपको left में मिला है, whatever you have got on left side, subtract that from 9s and write it as a right hand side answer. Everybody understood? कोई बात नहीं. आप देखो, हमने right side के लिए क्या किया? I share it with some other color. हमने क्या किया, जो लेफ्ट में हमें नंबर मिला है 37 मिला ना इस केस में, उसको हमने क्या किया, माइनस कर दिया 9 से, 9 से. So 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. Okay, thank you, sister. Okay, clear? एक दो और क्वेश्चंस लेते हैं, फिर आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, रेस्ट एवरीबडी इज क्लियर. ओके, second condition is multiplicand digits is equal to multiplier digits or multiplicand digits is equal to number of nines. मतलब क्या है, दोनों साइड इक्वल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स होने चाहिए. ओके, अच्छा, वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द लॉन्गर वन? यस, ओके, लेट्स डू इट. सी हियर, 4 4, all of you please your attention here. 4 4 0 6 8 9 0 7 minus 1 will give you 4 4 0 6 8 9 0 6. This is 1/2 left side. Easy, आधा आंसर तो ऐसे ही आ गया. अच्छा, for the right hand side answer what you are going to do, लेफ्ट को 9s में से माइनस करेंगे. 9 minus 4, 5. Now keep checking. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Correct? किसने चेक किया? किसने चेक किया? कैसे किया? कैलकुलेटर से और ह्यूमन कैलकुलेटर से? ह्यूमन कैलकुलेटर से. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट मैथमेटिक इज. सो वी आर डूइंग एक्चुअली मैथ्स बट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मैजिक. Everybody will feel you when you will do it in front of your parents, your siblings, your friends, they will be amazed to see. You know, today what you can do, some of your parents are sitting here, so you can try this magic with someone else, right? So what you can do, you can ask them, okay, give me a long number. I'm telling you how to do this magic. Listen carefully. You ask your brother, sister, grandmummy or grandpapa or right, whoever you wish to, ask them to give you a big number. Okay, big, let's say they give you a 4-digit number. You can say no, add 2 digits more, a bigger number. Okay, and then what you can do, whether they give you 6 digits, 7 digits, you count and put that many 9s in front, and then put a multiplication sign in between, and then ask them, can you multiply it in 10 seconds? They will be amazed and they will say, no, we can't. Then you can do this magic in front of them, and then make sure, when like they will be surprised definitely, make sure you teach them later. ठीक है, उसके बाद उनको सिखाना ज़रूर है. Because yesterday also I told you, when we teach someone, when we share with someone, we get better at it. अच्छा, आप में से कितनों ने कल वाली टेक्निक घर जाके किसी को सिखाई? बस इतने लोगों ने घर ही नहीं गए. अच्छा, ओके, चलो गुड. लेकिन अब सिखाना है किसी को, नहीं तो भूल जाएंगे आप. अभी याद है आपको स्नो वाइट? व्हाट वाज आफ्टर स्नो वाइट? अभी तो याद है. ओ, कोई बात नहीं, यू कैन वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग देन. हाँ, यस, sorry, I don't get you. Please children, silence. Yes beta. एक को बोलने दो ना, इकट्ठे 2-3 बोलते हैं तो I can't interpret that. हाँ, बोलो. चलो आगे आके बताना, मुझे यहाँ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. What are you talking about? अच्छा, चलिए मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन देती हूँ. I am going to give you a question. Who will do that? 4 1 4 2 into come beta 9 9 9. Yeah. Tell me what you want to say. Do this question and raise your hand once you are through. अच्छा, oh that's good to teach someone, ठीक है, to your parents, your friends. I have not asked you the question. Yeah, please go and do this question. हो गया, ठीक है. Everybody through with this question? Have you all got the answer? बहुत टफ है. अच्छा, let's find the answer. Who will give me the answer? Light green t-shirt one. 1 4 1 8 5 8. All of you got the same answer? Sorry. How many of you have got 8 in the end? Okay. Hands down. How many of you have got 7 in the end? Okay, let's see which is the correct one, 7 or 8. So, अच्छा देखो, चेक करते हैं, ध्यान से देखो, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. ओके, 1. मैंने कल एक एक्सरसाइज दी थी सबको कि आप सिर्फ टीचर की तरफ देखेंगे. अभी आप सबको क्या करना है उधर? कुछ करना है, काम है कुछ उस बच्चे से? आप मेरी तरफ देखो ना, सब किधर देख रहे हो? आप किधर देख रहे हो? संस्कार, आपका तो मुझे नाम पता लग गया. आई विल कॉल आउट विद योर नेम. सबसे आगे बैठकर क्या बातें कर रहे हो? अच्छा, नाउ सी ऑल ऑफ यू हियर. 142 minus 1. What that will be equal to? 1. So this part is correct. Sanskar. Now for the second part, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 1, 8. Now those who have subtracted from here, 9 minus 2, that they will get here 7. Got it? Huh? So what is the correct answer? 5 8, because we have to subtract this left side from 9s, not the original number. So that means you should understand the flow. The flow is from original number you will get left hand side, from left hand side you will get right hand side. Okay? Remember this flow. Should I give you one more? Okay. 3 0 6 7 into 9. How many 9s? 4 9s. Then we will move to the next trick. जिनका हो गया वो ऐसे करें एट द शोल्डर लेवल. अच्छा जी, आप ही बताओ. हो गया, क्या हो गया? बताओ क्या आंसर है. एक सेकेंड, लेट हिम टेल. हाँ, बोलो. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज लिसन टू व्हाट ही हैज टू से. टेल द आंसर. बोलो भाई. अच्छा बताओ आप. बोलो 3 0 6 6 9 0. अच्छा, 9 0 नहीं, फिर इसके बाद क्या आएगा? एक और 6. अच्छा, फिर मुझे एक बात बताइए, मैं इतने सबको कैसे सुनूं इकट्ठे? एक ही को सुन सकती हूँ ना, और आप भी एक ही को सुन सकते हैं. तो उसको चांस दिया है तो लेट हिम स्पीक एंड लेट ऑल ऑफ अस लिसन टू व्हाट ही हैज टू से. नो, दिस इज कॉल्ड रिस्पेक्ट, गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट. ओके जी, बताइए. 9 3 3. इंटरेस्टिंग आंसर. 30,666,933. Are you all getting the same answer? किसी का भी डिफरेंट नहीं है? नो आपका डिफरेंट है. क्या आया है? 2 आया है. वो 2 इसलिए आया है क्योंकि आपने यहां से माइनस किया. यस अगर यहां से करेंगे तो 2 नहीं आएगा. ओके गॉट इट. चलिए लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड सेकेंड टेक्निक. ओके शुड वी? नाउ दिस इज अ स्पेशल मल्टीप्लीकेशन by 11. Okay and that's a easy technique. Still 43 into 11. This technique is called sandwich technique. Would you like to eat sandwich of 43? Okay, some of you might be knowing this. Okay, now what the technique is, we will put 2 dots, one here, one here, and sandwich the number 43 between these 2 dots. And now starting from the right hand side dot, we will do the calculation. See, all of you, just small addition. ध्यान से देखिए. The value of this dot is 0. Okay? So when we are going to do first 2, 0 plus 3. What is your name? What is your name, Angel? Yes, स्टार क्या नाम है आपका? हाँ तो आप थोड़ा ध्यान रखो क्योंकि ना आपको इधर से भी डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, इधर वाले भी करते हैं, पीछे वाले भी करते हैं, और आप सबसे बचने के लिए सबसे आगे बैठे हो. हाँ तो इसलिए आप अपना ध्यान रखो. ठीक है? यू डोंट हैव टू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ देम. ओके आपको भी ध्यान रखना. अच्छा नाउ सी ऑल ऑफ यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. ध्यान से देखिए. 0 plus 3. 3 plus 4. 4 plus 0. This is the answer. हाँ इजी है ना? इजी है ना? आई रिपीट, हमने क्या किया, वी जस्ट सैंडविच द नंबर बिटवीन 2 डॉट्स. डॉट्स की वैल्यू 0 है. We will start from the right hand side dot and keep on adding 2 digits at a time. So 0 plus 3. यहाँ पे हमने किया 0 plus 3. यहाँ हमने किया 3 plus 4 और यहाँ 4 plus 0 और हमारा आंसर आ गया. Now let's say I have a different number 1 4 2 7 into 11. Now all of you see, we will sandwich this number between 2 dots. The value of the dots is 0. Now watch carefully. मैं आपको दूंगी क्वेश्चन, अभी आप सिर्फ देखो. All of you please watch. I am not asking you to do it on your own. ठीक है? सुनिए ध्यान से. Pay attention on the screen. Don't do it in your copies. मैं उसके लिए अलग दूंगी सब. ठीक है? Now see here, we will do 5 questions here. You won't do that in your copies. Okay? Watch here. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1. ठीक है? Now let's take the third question. See here. 320. Not 26, 67. 367 into 11. Now be careful, see here. Let's do it. 167 into 11. नहीं लिखो कॉपी में, गड़बड़ होगी अभी नहीं तो. यहाँ ध्यान दो. 0 plus 7. Now 7 plus 6. 13. Now you won't write 13 as it is. 3 and 1 down. Then 6 plus 1, 7 and 1, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. This last step is very important. ठीक है? अच्छा अब इसी नंबर को लेते हैं. 1 8 3 7 into 11. Sandwich. 0 plus 7, 7 plus 3, 3 plus 8, 11 and 1, 12. 8 plus 1, 9 and 1, 10. 1 plus 0, 1 and 1, 2. Now let's do this. 20207 into 11. Sandwich the number. 0 plus 7, 7 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2. So this is the answer. ठीक है. अच्छा, अभी let's take one number. Let's take 23 into 11. We will follow the chain. ध्यान से देखिए सभी. Fast, very fast. Now you will speak with me. You will speak 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus, ये भी बोलो मेरे साथ, 2 plus 0 भी बोलो, steps भी बोलो. 2 plus 0, sandwich. Next step क्या होगा? 0 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. 2. First step. Second step. 11. How we will write 11? Like this. Next. Plus 1, 16. 7 plus 2, plus 1, 10. 2 and 1, 3. Okay? समझ में आया? Clarity हुई? Now I am going to give you question. You are going to do it yourself. Do. 47 into 11. Sorry? No chain. Just 47 into 11, one question. Don't share the answer, just do and raise your hand that we are through. मैंने पूछा ही नहीं. अच्छा, मैंने पूछा ही नहीं. I just ask you to raise your hand if you are through. Okay, hands down. चलिए बताइए. कौन बताएगा? आपने करा? हाँ बताओ. शेयर द स्टेप्स. किसको बोला मैंने? ऐसे आपको कैसे लगा? मैं, मेरी आंखें इधर है, आपको लगा मैं यहाँ देख रही हूँ. 0 plus 7, then 11, then 4 and 5. Okay? आपको ऐसे समझाना आना चाहिए. You should know how to teach this because you have to do it at home today. किसी एक को जरूर सिखाना है. Who all will teach? बाकी सब नहीं सिखाओगे? अच्छा चलो. Now one last question. 517 into 11. करो इधर सभी करो. Done. Please, when you speak up the answer, na, those who are trying to concentrate, they get distracted. Help them. तालियां बजाएं. Okay, good. Most of you are through. Fine. चलिए बताइए क्या आंसर आया? 5, 6, 8, 7. There is no carryover. So simple, right? एक स्टेप छोड़ दिया. See, I tell you बेटा, आपने ये स्टेप किया. लास्ट स्टेप 5 plus 0. This is important, ना? Sometimes we miss the last step. Please be careful about that to do the last step. Okay? Okay, now this multiplication is also over. Now maths tables. चलिए. अच्छा, how many of you know tables till 9? Everyone? Very good. अच्छा, let me ask you 5 into 7. अच्छा, 7 into 8. 9 into 3. 7 into 3. 4 into 8. 7 into 4. चलो, पास. फिर what about 12 to 19? 19 into 8. 17 into 7. 13 into 9. अभी हाँ, good effort, but let's become the master of tables till 19 today. So I'm going to share with you very simple technique. See, from 2 to 9 you already know. Fine. The easiest table of all is 2 table. Table of 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Acha, identify the mistake. अच्छा, यहाँ 6 होगा एंड यहाँ 4 होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट. अच्छा, चलो, इतनी जगह यहाँ पर इतनी लिखते हैं. नाउ लेट्स से 16. गुड. नाउ हाँ, 12 into 1. easiest fact, multiplication by 1 is the easiest fact. ठीक है ना. 99 into 1 भी क्या होगा? 99. But ये 12 कैसे आया? Just all of you watch here. When we do 2 into 1 is equal to 2, when we take this one towards the tens place besides 2, it becomes 12. Similarly, 12 times 2. If we take this 2 towards the tens place besides 4, it will become 24. Okay. 36. Then 48. Now, I would request those who know to keep quiet so that the new students can learn. I know many of you have done it last year also. Yes. So please help others by remaining quiet. Okay? Let them focus. Now, till now what we have been doing, we are taking the factor to the tens place beside the multiple. Now what we will do, like here when you will take this 5 to 1, there is already to the tens place, there is already 1 present. So what we are going to do, we will add them. 5 plus 1, 6 and 0 as it is. 12 into 6, we will take this 6, add it to 1 here. 72. 12 into 7 is equal to क्या होगा? 84. And similarly 96, 108 we will get. पूरा टेबल करेंगे तो. Right? Understood the technique? नहीं? अच्छा. I share it with you again. आप सभी ध्यान से चुप होके सुनेंगे. Let's say मुझे चाहिए 12 into 9. मैंने पहले क्या बोला? चुप होके सुनेंगे. जब मैं पूछूं आप तब आंसर देंगे. जब मैं कहूँ चुप रहिए तो चुप रहिए. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि मैं जो कमांड देती हूँ वो 5 मिनट बाद पहुँचती है वहाँ पे. उसी टाइम पहुँचती है ना जो मैं बात कहती हूँ. तो अभी चुप रहकर सुनना है. जब मैं आपसे पूछूं तो आपको आंसर देना है. क्लियर? बोलो ना, थोड़ी देर बाद बोलोगे इसका आंसर. क्लियर ना? आवाज़ जा रही है ना माइक की? हाँ, तो 12 into 9, इसको क्या करेंगे? हमें तो टेबल आती नहीं, मुझे तो आती नहीं 12 की. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी विल डू 2 into 9. ठीक है? सो 2 into 9 is 18. ठीक है? Now you have to focus on this part. 9 is equal to 18. Take this 9 to the 1 of 18 and add. So 9 plus 1, 10 and 8, 108. Clear हुआ बेटा? Clear हुआ? अच्छा. Now the beauty is that this technique can be extended till table of 19. मतलब from the table of 2 we can derive the table of 12. From the table of 3 we can derive the table of 13. From the table of 6 we can derive the table of 16. From the table of 9 we can derive the table of 19. So no need to rote memorize table till 19 because numbers are confusing and we often get confused if we don't practice the tables. Fine? And इधर ध्यान दो. अच्छा. Now let's extend it. सभी ध्यान से देखेंगे. संस्कार आपको तो आता है ना? आता है ना? तो आप ऐसा करो, थोड़ी देर बाहर घूम कर आओ. ठीक है? Because you know everything. फिर जब ये बाहर निकलेंगे तो we will ask दीदी, संस्कार will take class of everyone. ठीक? No? आप यहाँ स्टूडेंट हो, है ना? तो स्टूडेंट बन के बैठना आता है? आता है? आता है ना? आता है? तो बैठो. अच्छा चलिए, अभी लेट्स टेक अनदर क्वेश्चन. 17 इंटू 8 क्या करेंगे? 7 इंटू 8. नाउ 7 इंटू 8 इज वॉट बताओ? 56. अब नाउ इक्वल टू के बोथ साइड 8 इज इक्वल टू 56. ठीक है? 8 को ले जाएंगे, वी विल टेक दिस 8 एंड एड टू 5. This is 13 and 6 as it is 136. So 17 into 8 becomes so simple. You don't have to memorize the table of 17. Now let's say I talk about, आप बताओ कोई नंबर, आप बताओ 19 तक के टेबल्स में. 19 into 7. 19 into 7. So 9 into 7. 63. Now take this 7 to the 6 of 63. Good. Acha, now this we have understood the technique. Now we are going to do it mentally. Okay? अच्छा, लेकिन मेंटल प्रैक्टिस के लिए मेरी एक आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है. आई विल गो वेरी स्लो एंड डेफिनेटली योर स्पीड विल बी फास्टर देन मी. But I will request you all to don't give the answer, just calculate it in your mind and keep it there for the benefit of all. Okay? Because once you speak up the answer, that child may not come up with the answer. Okay? And are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So if you get the answer, we will do it mentally. We don't use copy pen. We will do it mentally. We will keep it in our mind थोड़ी देर के लिए. And when I will ask you, then you will speak. Instructions are clear? Clear? Okay. Now, all of you have to watch me. Let's say, I say 17. I will show you something here. Please watch me. Parents also, because you have to then make them practice on that. All of you see here, let's say, I stand up so that everyone can see me. Let's say 17 into 6. See here, 17 into 6. 17 into 6 means 7 into 6. Okay? 7 into 6 is equal to, बताइए, 42. Hold. 7 into 6 is 42. 6 is 42. You have to emphasize on this. See here. 6 is equal to 42. Watch. 6 is equal to 42. Take this 6 to the 4 of 42. 6 plus 4. 10 and 2. 102. समझ आया? Clear हुआ? Let's take one more example. In this, the more slow you will be, the slower you will be, better you will get. ठीक है? First, accuracy is important, speed is later thing. Fine? Okay. Let's say I give you another question. 13, you have to visualize it in your mind, and to help you visualize, I am doing this air writing. So those who cannot visualize initially, you watch me. Those who can do, they may do in their mind, but answer you won't give. Okay, are you all with me? Yes. Now the next question is 13 into 8. 13 into 8 means 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. Hold it. 3 into 8 is 24. 8 is 24. 8 is equal to 24. 8 is equal to 24. मैंने नहीं पूछा बेटा आपसे. 8 plus 2, 10 and 4. 104. ठीक है? You have to practice it at home. Those parents who are sitting, they can make their children practice like this. Initially, you have to air write in the reverse manner for them to visualize it. Once they will be able to do that in their mind, then it will become easy. It may take 1 or 2 days, just that. And if they are able to do this, and definitely they will be able to do that easily, no need to memorize. Even I have never memorized tables till 19. But you ask me, I can answer because visualization is good. This visualization not just help in calculations, but it helps in improving their brain power also. So please make them practice this. And those who are all children, you have to do it at home. ऐसा नहीं कल ऐसे ही आ जाना, करके आना इसको, ठीक है? Yeah, you can, but अभी आप 19 तक करो, ठीक है? Step by step. Okay, now put on your thinking cap. कैसे put करते हैं? Thinking cap रखिए जरा अपने सब सिर पे. हाँ. अच्छा चलिए, अभी क्योंकि some thinking skills are now required. First question for you. Can you guess the word which is pronounced wrong by every mathematician? Infinite, okay. 0. Wrong. Incorrect. Sorry? Mathematician, okay. Wrong. Very true. See what I asked you. Can you guess the word which is pronounced wrong by every mathematician? तो wrong को ही तो pronounce करेंगे ना, wrong. So the answer is wrong. ठीक है? Now you have understood what type of questions I am going to ask you. So with all your thinking skills alert, next question. Which of the following sentences is correct? अरे भाई sentences तो बताने दो, कौन सा correct है? हाँ, तो अभी sentence ही नहीं दिखाए मैंने ना, first. हाँ, तो इनमें से कौन सा एक करेक्ट है ना, वो बताना है. तो ठीक तो लिखा है? नहीं, दिस इज राइट. अच्छा, ओके. द 2 ऑप्शंस आर, उसमें से आपको एक चूज करना है. 9 and 5 आर 13 और 9 and 5 इज 13. So 9 and 5 are 13. Second option. How many of you say second option? How many you say first? First वाले हाथ उठाएंगे. Parents भी उठाइए. अच्छा. And second option. और जो कहते हैं दोनों ही गलत हैं. अच्छा, दोनों क्यों गलत हैं? एक मिनट, मैंने उससे पूछा ना. हाँ, अच्छा, दोनों रॉन्ग है. क्यों रॉन्ग है? अच्छा, सो 9 + 5 is 14, not 13. देखा, वहां तो ध्यान ही नहीं गया. सो इट्स 14. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अभी क्लियर होता जा रहा है कैसे क्वेश्चंस हैं. Tell me how many times can you subtract 2 from the number 21? 21. नहीं, 10 times. 10 times, okay. 0 times. We cannot subtract 2 from 21. 2 times. 1 time. अच्छा, ओके. अच्छा, ऐसा करते हैं, लेट्स पास दिस क्वेश्चन टू द पेरेंट्स. ठीक है? Infinite times we can subtract 2 from 21. Okay. Yes. 1 time. Okay. Yes. 1 time. Okay. Yeah, actually it is 1 time. Why? Because then it will not remain 21. It will become 19. So only once we can subtract 2 from 21. Then it will become 19. Okay. So that is also a way of looking at it, but you are absolutely right. Okay. Now something very interesting. What can you see? You can see a chessboard. How many squares are there in this picture? 17. Okay. See. देखो, मेरी माइक पे आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही आपको. I will only give a chance to those who will raise their hand and speak properly. Not like this. This is not the class to shout. Okay? Yes, tell me. 32. Okay. 32. Yes. मैंने लिख दिया पहले आंसर आपका. Yes. बोलो. 28. 18. 16. आप लोग ऐसे ही बोल रहे हो या देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर योर आंसर? कैन यू जस्टिफाई योर आंसर? हाँ, अच्छा बैठो. हाँ, बोलो. 27. कैन यू कम हेयर? ओके. 26, 27, 25, 22. I have got all your answers. What is your answer? अच्छा, can you tell? I am not asking today's date. I am asking how many squares are there. अच्छा, can you please come and count? 17. Okay. Yeah, what's your name? अच्छा, he is doing for all of you. What's your name? Ivan. अच्छा, Ivan, can you tell how? अच्छा, कैसे बताओगे? तो बहुत ऊपर है आपके लिए. अच्छा, इस पे बताओ. ओके, चलिए देखते हैं. He has tried very good. I must say a big hand for Ivan. And all of you are trying your level best. And I can make out from your answer what you are trying to do. अभी इसको स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं. ओके, इसको लेट्स वॉच इट ऑन स्क्रीन. 16 तो सबने ही बताया है. ठीक है. अच्छा, 17 सबने बताया. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी. So 16 answer, as you can see, the smallest squares, they are 16 in number. But what about the whole square? Yes. So that is also like plus 1, 17. But. So this is this bigger square, as you can see. Let me change the color so that you can all see. See, this is the bigger square. These are the small squares. Fine, total is 17. So we can say, ध्यान से सुनिए, we can say ये वाला square जो है, this square, let's say this is 1 by 1. 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So this one will be 4 centimeter by 4 centimeter, right? This bigger one will be. Now there are more squares in between, the hidden squares. Let's say 3 by 3. If I say this is also a square. Yes? Acha, let's find out how many such squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 such squares. Okay. Then there are 4 3 by 3 squares, right? Now then, if we see the 2 by 2 squares, this is 1. ध्यान से count करिए. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, let me do it again for you. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 such squares, 2 by 2. Now then, अगर हम 1 by 1 देखें, वो तो आपको पता ही है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ये सारे मिला के तो there are 16 squares. ठीक है? Okay, so there are 16 squares. Now add all of these. When you will add this, 1 square 4 by 4 का सबसे बड़े वाला, then 3 by 3 के 4, then 2 by 2 के 9 and 1 by 1 के 16. So total of 30 squares are there. There are so many hidden squares which you couldn't see that. Fine. तो एक formula बता रही हूँ मैं आपको. Just listen to this formula. Listen to this formula. You can say 16 can be written as 4 into 4. Yes? 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 1 can be written as 1 into 1. So the formula is, if the square is, like let's say this was the square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 4 by 4 का square है ना ये? This is a square of 4 by 4. So the formula is, if you want to find out the total number of squares in this figure, that is 4 by 4 से लेके 1 by 1 तक सारे add कर लो. कैसे करेंगे? हम यहाँ पे टेबल बना लेते हैं. 4 into 4, 16. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. And 1 into 1, 1. Add these are the total number of squares. ये रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन पेपर्स जो होते हैं उसमें इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? अच्छा, अब एक क्वेश्चन और दूं बड़ा सारा. नाउ व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स इन अ चेस बोर्ड? 64 तो 1 1 वाले हो गए ना. अच्छा, मैं आपको याद दिला दूं, हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स आर दिस साइड एंड हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स आर दिस साइड? 8 and 8. अब आपको क्या करना है? ध्यान से सुनिए, ध्यान, पे अटेंशन. 8 into 8, 7 into 7, 6 into 6, 5 into 5, 4 into 4 से लेकर 1 into 1 तक के सारे ऐड कर लीजिए. यू विल गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स. चलो डू. 2 1 into 1. डू. ठीक से ऐड करो. ठीक से ऐड करो. I am happy to see that parents are also doing. Add it carefully. All 8 into 8 से लेके 1 into 1 तक add all multiples. Or you can say all squares. Okay, done. You can show your copy from there, if I would be able to see it. अच्छा, चलिए, many of you have already calculated. Let's see it here. Okay, let's see. या यहीं पर let's calculate. See what I told you, 8 into 8, 64. 7 into 7, 49. 6 into 6, 36. 5 into 5, 25. 4 into 4, 16. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. You have to add all these. Now, I am telling you a shorter technique to add these. Right? Now, see the combinations. जहाँ पर 4 और 6 है वो 10 हो जाएगा. Right? So, we can do it like this. All of you watch here. Like let's say 64 and 36. They add up to 100. So, 100 is here. Okay? Now, if I see next, this 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. Okay? Yeah. And then we have, let's say this 49 and 1. This total to 50 more. And this 4. So total is 204 squares in a chessboard. Now this is again something which you can ask anybody if you play chess with them. Okay, tell me what is the total number of squares. And then now I hope you can tell them logically how it is 204. Right? Not mathematically, logically. Logically कैसे बताएंगे? 1 1 square, then 2 by 2 square, then 3 by 3 square. Okay, and try to add it. This is an interesting activity that you can all do. Clear? Okay. So this is 204. Now what do you learn from this activity? Do you learn something? See, I tell you. See, what is visible here? The visible here is 64 squares, or maybe the biggest one, 65 squares. But we found there were 204 squares. So many squares were hidden inside. So that it is the same way God has given us many powers, many qualities, many virtues. But we are not able to see them clearly sometimes. Not in ourselves, not in others. But that doesn't mean that they do not exist. आप समझ रहे हो मैं जो कह रही हूँ? नहीं समझ रहे हैं? देखो, ध्यान से समझो. जैसे आपको ये हिडन स्क्वायर्स नहीं दिख रहे थे, ऐसे ही हमारे अंदर बहुत सारी हिडन क्वालिटीज हैं. We have immense potential what God has gifted us with. But because we are not able to see it sometimes, we feel that we are just this limited. No. We have infinite power, qualities, energy hidden inside us. बस हमको different combinations देखने हैं उनके, and then we can develop many qualities within us. Okay? Fine. So who are you? I am bundle of virtues. I have lots of power, many virtues, many qualities inside me. Can you all relate? है या नहीं है? है ना? Okay. चलिए अब. Now, who all want to get 100% marks? आप नहीं चाहते? इसीलिए इनको यही बात याद रही. क्या याद रही? अदिति दीदी ने बताया है कि समय नहीं होता स्टूडेंट्स के पास तो कैसे पास हो. अदिति दीदी ने ये बताया था कि सक्सेसफुल और नॉट सो सक्सेसफुल के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. दे फील वी डोंट हैव टाइम एंड दे मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ देयर टाइम. ठीक है? ओके. सो 100% लाने वाले कौन है जरा बताओ, हाथ खड़ा करो. कौन लाना चाहते हैं? मैं फॉर्मूला बताने वाली हूँ 100% लाने का. ओके. नाउ सी, all of you watch here. I am sharing with you the formula of becoming 100% or achieving 100%. So what does it mean to give more than 100%? अभी तो हम 100% की बात करें. और अगर what about achieving 101%? वो कौन कौन चाहता है ये बताओ. आज वो भी मिल रहा है. Everything is तथास्तु for you. किस किस को चाहिए? सबको मिलेगा 101%. किस किस को चाहिए? सबको चाहिए. सबको चाहिए ना? यस. चलो फॉर्मूला जानो उसका. अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इक्वल्स 100% इन लाइफ. अगर इसके लिए आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला. लेट्स से A to Z. हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर? 26 letters. ठीक है? And let's say I assign one number to each letter. Example, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Like that way. So Z is equal to 26. अब ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गेम होने वाला है, सबका ध्यान यही होना चाहिए. Are you all ready? चलो एक बार खड़े हो जाओ. On your toes, let's it go. Up your hands, touch the sky. Feel the pain in your calves. Just do up, down, and then twist to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Once again left, once again right. Jump on your place. Okay. Now do this. One leg up, second then, first one, second one, first one, second one. Okay. Again, one twist here, one twist there. Once again, jump, 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 jump. Okay. Extend your arms upwards. Yeah, parents can also do if they want to. Fine. Anyway, we are now sitting down for another 10 minutes because then, yeah, all of you please sit. I hope must be feeling good now. सबको चाहिए ना 100%, बैठो जल्दी. अच्छा, फॉर्मूला देखो. If A to Z is 1 to 26, now how we are going to get 100%? Knowledge. Is it important? Yes. What is the value of knowledge? K stands for 11, N stands for 14, O stands for 15, W stands for 23, and this counts to 96%. So if you have all the knowledge, then also you will get 96%. Then what else? How to get 100? Hard work. Now count what hard work equals to. That is 98%. Now, love, yes, love for your subject. That counts to 54%. And apart from that, some people say luck is also important. ठीक है? तो luck की value क्या है? That counts to only 47%. Okay, then what makes 100% by? Nothing? No. Is it money? Money की value कितनी है? 72%. चलो. And is it leadership? No, it also counts to 97%. ठीक है? Then what it is? Attitude. Let's see. Yes, this is 100% because you should have the right attitude. Right attitude towards yourself, towards your studies, towards your teachers, towards your goal. And not just attitude, along with that, see, this is the message. Every problem has a solution. Maths में problems होती है ना? Every problem has a solution, only if perhaps you change your attitude. To go to the top, to that 100%, what we really need to go further a bit more, and that is discipline. Discipline also counts to 100%. So if you have the right attitude and you are disciplined, then you will be 100% successful. But then see how far love of God will take you. Love of God. If you total that, it is 101%. Yes. ईश्वर अपने साथ है तो डरने की क्या बात है ना? अच्छा, now the lesson is, while hard work and knowledge will get you close, and attitude and discipline will get you there to 100%, it's the love of God that will put you over the top. ओके, सो मेडिटेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. गॉड के साथ हमारा कनेक्शन, बिकॉज ही इज आवर सुप्रीम फादर, सुप्रीम पेरेंट, सुप्रीम टीचर, सुप्रीम गाइड, सो एंड सुप्रीम फ्रेंड ऑल्सो, है ना. तो इसलिए कनेक्शन विद हिम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट विल टेक यू टू मोर देन 100%, 101%. हाँ, that you have to discover now. I have already shared the formula. Now make different combinations and find out what is 102% and let me know. Let me know, okay? Okay, check karna. I have given you the formula. Now let's all of you sit straight. Let us sit straight. करें उस परमात्मा से प्यार करें थोड़ा सा, जो हमें 101% लेकर जाएंगे. चलिए सीधे बैठेंगे सभी. आ जाओ, आप स्टेज पर आ जाओ. वो डिस्टर्ब करता रहेगा. आ जाओ, आप मेरे पास आ जाओ. हाँ, एक चेयर सिस्टर इधर लगाइएगा. आ जाओ आ जाओ. हाँ, इट्स ओके. पक्का. हाँ, आप आ जाओ. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. सच में एक चेयर लगाओ यहाँ पे. कौन आना चाहता है यहाँ पर? कौन आना चाहता है? कोई आना चाहता है? आप आना चाहते हो? हाँ, जिसका बात करने का दिल है वो यहाँ आ जाओ. अच्छा, किसी और का हाथ नहीं उठाओ. और का हाथ नहीं उठाओ. चलो आ जाओ, आप आ जाओ. आ जाओ. आप मेडिटेशन कराओगे ना सबको? आओ. अच्छा, now all of you sit straight. All of you sit straight. आप उस चेयर पे बैठ सकते हो, उधर बैठ जाओ. बैठो. All of you sit straight. Close your eyes. Now do as I ask you to do in your mind. Close your eyes. किसी को नहीं देखो. Just close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath inside. Visualize your air is going inside your body through your nose. Exhale very slowly, relaxing your body. बॉडी को ढीला छोड़ते जाएं. गहरी लंबी सांस लें और धीरे धीरे एक्सेल करते हुए बॉडी को रिलैक्स करें. आप अपना ध्यान लेकर जाएं on the place of on your forehead where you apply tilak. I am a shining star. A bright star, full of power and virtues. Today, I get to know I have so many virtues, so many good qualities, which I have never seen in myself. I have never acknowledged. Like the smaller squares in that square, I have so many small good things which I can use to become the better version of myself. I am very unique, special child of Almighty. God is my supreme parent. I am His most beautiful creation. Today, in this God's home, I am falling in love with numbers. I learned many wonderful techniques and I am ready to explore more. These techniques make me feel as if I am a math magician. I can see these numbers as so unique, so magical. Every number has its own properties, own qualities. Like we angels have our own qualities. I'm so thankful to Almighty Godfather who has given me, blessed me with His powers. I'm so thankful to my parents who gave me this opportunity to join this camp. I'm not just having fun, but along with that, I'm learning so much. Not only for myself, but things which I can share with others. Thank you, God, for enlightening me, empowering me. I am becoming better with every passing day, day by day. I am feeling God's love in my life. Yes, I have heard knowledge is important, hard work is important. But today, I understood my attitude is also important. And along with that, when I discipline myself, I make the most of my time. And with God's love and blessings, I can go beyond 100% success. Thank you, God. I am really making wonderful memories from this camp. Lifelong memories. Om Shanti. Rub both your palms. Put them on your eyes and feel God's power and blessings are with you. Om Shanti.
So you enjoyed? You understood maths? After going home, what you're gonna do? Practice.
Like to say one thing, all the techniques of these fast calculations are given in the book How to Become a Human Calculator. Using these techniques, you can multiply any number by any number, find square of any number, cubes of any number. But I didn't share all that, seeing the time and the age of the students. So you can have it from the book counter, but we have only 10 copies of that, very limited copies. So those who feel that
Already
all
4 are sold. 4.
4 left,
6 left and
6
4 are
left.
sold.
6 left. Okay, we have ordered some more stock, but it will be available after Tuesday. So today there are only 6 books, so you can take that.
So shall we thank Didi? How are we gonna thank?